Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for September 10th, 2024. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. Okay, so we have two ones here that look in. That puts a 1 in one of these three. This 4 does nothing. Okay, I have a bunch of 7s looking into here. This 7 doesn't actually help, but that's how I noticed it. Puts a 7 in one of these two cells. I also have these two 9s looking up. Let's mark that since I saw it. I don't know that there's really much to see here. These 4s don't do much. So the things of interest would be the 6 and 7 looking through here, but we already marked the 7s and 6s don't have help. I really don't think there's anything to do here. Let's move on to the next band. So we have the 5 and the 9. These 5s look into here, putting a 5 right here. Now those 5s look up along with this 5, putting a 5 here. Now these two 5s look in along with this 5, putting a 5 in one of these two. But look at this. We have a crossing on the 5s here. This 5 looks down, this 5 looks in. That does put a 5 in one of these two cells, pointing up, removing this 5, because the 5 has to be here. So that places the 5 here. And how are we doing on 5s? We have 5s here, and that's it. So we just have this rectangle of 5s left. Okay. So coming back to this band here, we got the 5s, 6 and 7. So the 6 looks into here, putting a 6 in one of these two cells. That points in here along with this 6, putting a 6 somewhere down here. The 7, unfortunately, doesn't seem to do much. I mean, there's a 7 in one of these two, but that has nothing to do with this 7. Is 5, 6, 7 interesting for these cells? The 5 and the 7 are already marked. 6 is not limited enough. Okay, so no go there. This cell must be limited. Let's think about the whole box though. So we have 1, 2. We do need a 3. We have 4, 5. We need a 6 in one of these two. We need a 7 in one of these two. And then 9's in one of these two. Okay, because we have this 9 looking in. So 9 is in one of these two cells. That's going to point into here. These point in. This 9 sees in. Puts a 9 in one of these two cells. And this 9 helps. Placing the 9 in the box. Very nice. Now this 3 looks into this box, putting a 3 in one of these two cells. That does two things. The first thing is what you might expect, the pointing. And then this 3 puts a 3 in one of these two. But also I looked over here and I saw that in this box, 3 is also limited to the same two rows. So the question is, where is the 3 in row 6? Well, it's not here, so it's over here somewhere. Which means these cannot be 3. The 3 is claimed by row 6 to be the 3 that's also in box 4. Okay, so in fact this whole row is down to 3 digits. We need 1, 3, 6, and 8. And this can't be 3 or 6, so this is 1, 8. This can't be 1, this is 3, 6, 8. That's not super exciting. Okay, anything else of note? 5, 8, yeah, the 8 looks into here, putting an 8 in one of these two. That points up along with this 8, putting an 8 somewhere up here. I'm just looking at what looks into these sides here. The 9 is not helpful, neither is the 5. We got the 3 and 8. Okay. Anything else around here? Probably not, but let's just take a quick look. Oh, there is actually more. I'm looking for crossings on this 5, 9, and the 4 is a hit. So these 4s look into here, puts a 4 in one of these two. That is going to point down along with this 4, putting a 4 in one of these 3. Anything else, like the 1, maybe? No. The 2 is a crossing. This 2 looks in, this 2 looks in. Puts a 2 in one of these two. That's going to point up along with this 2, putting a 2 up one of these 3. 5, 7. Okay, so the 7 would be the only other crossing, but there's no 7 to help out. But 2, 4, and 7 are limited to these 4 cells, along with this 1, 8. Yeah, I think that's just telling us that the 3, 6 are down here, but it's interesting. So these are 2, 4. Sorry, there are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. The 1 and the 2 aren't here. Huh. Don't know what to do with that. Okay. Does that mean these are only 4, 7, 8? Actually, let's take a look. They're not 1, 2. They're not 3 because the 3's claim. Remember that? They could be 4. They're not 5. They can't be 6 because the 6 is claim. They could be 7. They could be 8. This one can't be 8. Okay, so I was right. They're 4, 7, 8. I think I'm going to move on to the next band at this point. So we have 2 and 9. The 9s do buddy up, putting a 9 one of these two. Now, do you see what I see? Lined up 9s. Yay. Okay, so where's 9 in column 6? It's up here somewhere. That's going to claim the box. These can't be 9. All right, so we got the 9s. The 2 does not seem to... Well, the 2 is helpful because it puts a 2 in one of these 3. That points in along with this 2. This 2 looks down, placing this 2. These 2s look up, putting a 2 in one of these 2 cells. Okay. Well, that was quite nice. So 7, 8, 9. We have the 2 8s. Puts an 8 in one of these 2. 7, 9 we already did. 7 looks in here along with this 7, putting a 7 in one of these 2 cells. 6. 6 is down here somewhere. Let's just think about this whole row. We need a 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. So this is 3. This is 3, 6 only. The 4's claim, if you recall. Where these point. I'm not sure which one it was. It doesn't matter. At this point, these aren't 4. This isn't 4 either. So this is 1, 3, 6. This can be any, and this can't be 1 or 6. So this is 3, 4. Okay. In fact, this whole column is down to 4 digits. We need the 3, 4, 7, 9. This can't be the 3 or the 7. So this is 4, 9. Oh, and it's not 9 either. Ooh, remember these claiming 9s we found? Because these 9s lined up. So this cannot be a 1, 2, 3. It could be 4. It can't be 5, 6, 7. And it can't be 8, and it can't be 9 because of our claiming 9s. So it is a naked single 4. Very nice. Did not expect that. That makes this a 3 and a 6 and a 1. Okay, very nice. That puts the 4 here. This can't be 3 anymore. In fact, we're just down to 7, 9 here. This is not a 6, but there's still 2 places for 6. This whole column is 3, 4, 7, 8. It's not a 4. So 3, 7, 8. This box here has 1, 2. We need 3, 5, 7, 8. I'm just going to mark it out. 3, 5, 7, 8. So the 5s can't go here. The 8s can't go there. This can be any, so I'm going to delete that. Okay. 5, 7, 9. I feel like I just got a bunch of stuff and I need to follow up on it. This 4 maybe? Yeah, we have these 2 4s. Puts a 4 down here somewhere. I got this 5 at some point. I think I got that earlier. See, this is filled. So the 8 looks up into here. I think I just got the 4 or the 5. I don't remember. Anyway, this 2 and 8 look up into here, making a hidden 2, 8 pair in this box. So these 3, we have the 1, 2. We need a 3, we need a 6, and we need a 9. This can't be 3. So 3, 6, 9 triple removes 3 and 6 from here. This is 7. That's 9, 3, and 6. That's our 4. Places the 3 in this box. Places the 7 and the 9 in this box. Places 3 and 5. Wow. We're cleaning up. These aren't 3 and 5, so these are 3 and 5, which places the 2. Okay. This is 7, 8. This is a pair. This is 1 and something. So the 1 goes here, and the something goes here. So 4. Okay. This triple. We need a 1. We have 2, 3. We need a 4. We need a 6. Okay. Take a step back. What did we get? All these things. 3, 7, 8. Trying to find low-hanging fruit. This row needs 2 digits. The 1 and the 2, actually. This can't be 1, because this one down here. So that's the 2, that's the 1. That gives us the 8. That's nice. That gives us this naked 3 here. Okay. This cannot be a 1. This can't be a 1. All right, we're cleaned up. Pair here. For the box, we need a 2, which can only go here. And this is the other one, a 4. The other one was a 4 again. The other one is just always 4, apparently. In this Sudoku, at least. 7, 8 here. That's a 7, 8 pair, so what's the rest of this column? We have 1, 2. We need 3, 6, 9. I'm just going to mark it out. That's not 3. This can't be 3 or 9. Box, so that's our 6. Gives us 9 and 3. Gives us 6, 9, and 3. think we're finishing up now. This digit is known. It's a 1 for many reasons. Up here, what do I need? I need 2, 5, 7, 8. The 5 can only go here. Oh, no, I don't need 5. That would explain why things are weird. What do I actually need? I need 2, 6, 7, 8. Just going to mark that out. 2, 6, 7, 8. That's not 6 or 7. In fact, 2, 8 for this row. Not resolved. Okay, I'm clearly missing something obvious. It's probably over here or something. This column, I need 1, 6, and 9. So the 9 can only go here in this column, which places our 1. That gives us the 4, 6, and 1. So that's our 6. 4 is placed, which places 7. That places 8, 2, 6, and 7. We get our 2 and our... Ooh, misclicked. 2 and our 8. That gives us the 8 here. That's a 2. We get our 7, 8, 7, 8, and we're done. All right, not too bad today. There were a lot of crossings on this 5, 9. You got to really pay attention to this 2, 4, and 7 looking in. The 2 and the 4 mostly. There were some other crossings as well. I don't remember where. But yeah, maybe on this 5, 6. I don't remember. But yeah, cool. Neat puzzle. Nothing crazy hard like yesterday with that hidden quad, but it was neat. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.